Are you looking for a landing page for your team collaboration, agency, or any type of SaaS website? Or an app preview landing page, portfolio, or blog website for your business? Introducing CollabFlow TNC, the best Webflow SaaS template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, let's explore the live preview of CollabFlow TNC. Now, let's see how to use CollabFlow TNC. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow SaaS template, get CollabFlow TNC, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.themeencode.com.